Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the skies of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. In this special edition of Skyview Adventures, we'll be exploring the stunning landscapes, iconic landmarks, and breathtaking views that make Rio a true paradise. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to soar high above this mesmerizing city. Our journey begins above the world, famous Copacabana Beach stretching for miles along the vibrant city coastline. As we ascend higher, we encounter one of the most iconic sights in Rio, Christ the Redeemer. This colossal statue stands tall atop Corcovado Mountain, with arms outstretched in a gesture of peace and welcome. From this vantage point, the statue commands a breathtaking view of the city below. Behold the beauty of Guanabara Bay. The emerald green waters contrast with the towering peaks and lush vegetation that surround it. As our drone glides along, we catch glimpses of sailboats and yachts gracefully sailing through the bay, while small islands dot the horizon, adding to the picturesque scene. Prepare to be enchanted as we venture into the enchanting Tijuca National Park. This verdant paradise is the largest urban forest in the world, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of the city below. Cascading waterfalls, winding hiking trails, and a rich diversity of flora and fauna make this aerial view a true feast for the eye. Rio is a city passionate about football, and our drone takes us to the iconic Maracana Stadium. From this height, we can witness the magnitude of this colossal arena, which has hosted legendary matches and World Cup finals. The stadium's grandeur and history are palpable, even from high above. Now, let's explore the vibrant neighborhood of Santa Teresa. As our drone glides through the narrow, winding streets, we are captivated by the bohemian atmosphere and the charm of its colorful houses. This artistic enclave is a haven for creatives, with its countless art studios, galleries, and vibrant street art. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the majestic Sugarloaf Mountain. As our drone ascends to its peak, we are greeted by panoramic views of Rio's sprawling metropolis, the azure coastline, and the surrounding mountains. The city's beauty becomes even more apparent from this bird's eye perspective. As our breathtaking aerial adventure comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this unique perspective of Rio de Janeiro. From the iconic landmarks to the natural wonders, this city never ceases to amaze. Until our next Skyview adventure, keep exploring and marveling at the beauty that surrounds us.